Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Coach. Today I will guide you how to install WordPress on GoDaddy hosting. Please follow the steps. Open your cPanel URL. Enter your username and password. Now you are in cPanel. Scroll down and select WordPress. Select Install this application. Scroll down. Leave all the settings as it is. Enter your username. I enter admin and assign the password. Enter your email ID for receiving emails. Here enter your website title and tagline. Once again leave all the settings as it is. Choose install. WordPress installation processing. Now wait for a few seconds. Here you can see is continue. You can see it's completed. Open web browser and type your URL. Here you can see your website is open like this. WordPress installation with second step. Open your URL with your cPanel. Open HTML folder. Upload downloaded wordpress.zip file. Now go to public_HTML. Now unzip your WordPress file into your website folder. Is done. Now move all files into public_HTML folder. Now delete WordPress folder, and here you can see all the WordPress files. Now open your URL. Then WordPress installation done. Open URL with your admin panel. Enter your admin username and password. Here you enter in your dashboard. Now update default plugin. Now I will guide you how to install Astra theme. Go to theme, add new, search Astra and install Astra theme. Now installing Astra theme. Now Astra theme installation done. Please activate Astra. Refresh your browser. Here Astra is activated. Now you can check here. Astra activated successfully. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for latest videos. Thank you.